Hey Dad, you should make something cool.
Okay, so it is cold and snowing outside, so not a good day to make sawdust. However, there's still work that needs to be done. And today we're going to shift gears a little bit. We're going to move away from the woodwork and we're going to get into cleaning up and, if need be, doing some restoration on some of the metal work. So I think we're going to get into this. Alright, so we have a variety of hardware, but let's start by laying out a little something that we can make messy. This is just a standard shop towel, nothing special or fancy here. So we have our bridge and saddle. We've got the buttons for the strap. We've got the cover plate for the neck, and our problem children are tuning mechanisms, or tuning machines, or tuning pegs, or whatever you would like to call them. We're also going to throw in this tree for the strings. And that is that for now. Move these over here out of the way. This is the stuff that needs to be worked on. And I am going to put a towel over here to set things on to dry once they are done. Yes, yes, yes. We'll put this here where folks can see it a little better. How about that? Now, we don't want to use anything horribly abrasive or scratchy or anything like that. We just want to give these a general clean. So I'm just going to use I'm just going to use a glass cleaner. It's fairly gentle, still will get through a lot of the stuff and cleans up very easily. Does not leave a lot of residue. So we're going to start off with these little pieces that don't have a lot of intricacy to them. We'll just kind of get them knocked out and out of the way. There we go, a little clean, a little tidy. We do see that the chrome on this one is showing its age a little bit. I'm not concerned by that. It is solid, mechanically still perfectly good. Rinse and repeat on this guy. This guy is a little more build up on it, and some stuff that I'm not quite sure what that is. Is that coming off? And not really. I don't know. We'll see. Upside, these are a generic part, and replacing them be ridiculously easy and not expensive at all. So but we're going to get as much off as we can, especially off the bottom here, so that when we go ahead and put it on, we don't mark up the paint. So string tree, just do a quick clean on the bottom. This is the part that nobody will ever see, so that's not a problem. We come up here to the top. And this one actually is in very good shape. This is just shiny. The chrome is intact. There's no scratches. There's no wear. So this is fantastic. The neck plate. This neck plate is as scratched up as the back of the guitar was. If I were doing a full restore on this, then I would absolutely replace this. But you know, I think I am going to go ahead and leave this as one of those things that is part of the, it's just part of the guitar. It is, and all these scratches I think are just part of the story of the piece. There are no deep gouges, there's no don't think there's any sign of cord. Is that a little, that may have gotten down in. That may be a little rusted underneath. No, let's see. We might see about, maybe see if we can polish that down a little bit and see if we can get that to go. I don't know. We'll come back to that piece. Now the fun ones. These guys need a fair amount of work on them. I don't want a Phillips head. I want a Phillips head, right? Now, I'm going to be careful disassembling these because these springs will fly, they will send parts flying, and that will just be utterly horrible. Alright, this is, hold on, get off of there. We were going to have to, and before anybody asks or says anything, we were going to have to adjust all of these as part of the setup for the guitar once we have the strings on and we're ready to go. So disassembling this, we're not ruining anything. This is all going to have to be redone anyway, so this is completely fine. Actually, let's just go ahead and take this apart all the way. 1, 2, 3. And off come the screws. Oof. Yeehaw. Alright. These guys all come off. Let me grab. These little grub screws are so annoying. Let's see what size we have here. I think I don't know what size these are off the top of my head, so we'll just set out everything here. This guy? Yes, no, maybe? Oh, got it on the first try. I lucked out. Fabulous. And you know, now that I think about it, I probably went the wrong direction with that. I could just go straight at the bottom. Yeah, let's try that on this one. We're just going to go straight out the bottom. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All right. So we have, interesting, hang on. Grab some glasses here so I can take a look at this. Do we have, no, this one was on upside down. Huh, okay. I was afraid for a moment there that we had two different size grub screws, and this was going to be not a showstopper, not a problem, just a bit of an annoyance. Yeah, that's the same size, so we're good. Boom, boom, boom. Actually, these are loose enough, we don't even need the Allen key for this. Now, once we have this all taken apart, the best order for cleaning this all up is going to be starting with the main plate. And then I think we're just going to go down the line and basically do it as a reassembly as we go. So, dust, dirt buildup. Oh, there's all kinds of stuffs on the back here. You know what? Hang on, we're going to grab a little something here to help out with this. Grab ourselves a Scotch-Brite pad and we'll just give it a good scrub down. There we go. Eesh. Look at that. And this little corner over here is the worst. So it looks like this has got, may have actually gotten glued down to the wood at some point. I know you might be tempted to grab a razor blade or a screwdriver or something and try to scrape that free, but you know, you don't want to destroy the chrome. I think since we're trying to save the piece. So, I don't think this is going to be an issue at all. We're just going to take our time, try soaking it a little bit and see if we can maybe loosen it up that way. Give it a minute to soak in.